Hi everyone, it's Miss Deb. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY sock snowman puppet. And before I show you how to do it, I want to tell you that we have kits that we put together with all the materials that you'll need. So we have stuffing, and there's felt and stickers and and a sock. Everyone will get a sock. So these are the things that you need to make the sock snowman puppet. We also printed out some nice directions for you. So if you want to get one after you watch the video, you can call the library and Mom or Dad can come and pick it up curbside. We are closed now for people coming in, but we will get you any books or any supplies that you need if you just call ahead, and you can pick them up curbside. So here's the sock puppet. And so the first thing I'm going to do, this is the sock that you have, and what I'm going to do is I cut it off just below the heel. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut this right off like this. Let's see. And then this part we're going to save for later. So then I'm going to take one piece of string and I'm going to tie it off. You have to tie it off really tight. I'm going to make a knot and tie this off at the top. And the other thing is, we're giving you stuffing, but you could fill it with rice if Mom has some extra rice at home, okay? So tie a really tight knot. I'm going to tie it twice just to be sure. And after I've done that, so this is what it looks like. Whoops, I'll get that through there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to turn it inside out. Okay, and now that's the bottom of my snowman. So this is it. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to stuff it about 2/3 of the way full with the stuffing. If you use rice, you might want to use a funnel so that the rice doesn't spill all over the place, but we're just using stuffing here at the library. So I'm going to stuff that as full as I can get it. Let's see, it's going to take me a little bit of time here. So keep going. Push it kind of all the way down the bottom so he has a nice fat bottom. Okay, and keep stuffing. More. And here we go. That's probably enough. Well, put another little. Oh, we got a lot of stuffing here, so we'll try to make him a nice fat snowman. All right. So you get the idea. So then, whoops, I need to put more in. Sorry. There we go. Okay, so then when you're done stuffing him, gonna tie it off the top. You can tie off the top. And now I'm gonna take another piece of string and we're gonna tie it in the middle. Kind of maybe not quite the middle, but sort of in the middle. And we're gonna tie it off really tight, okay? And that makes his head. So I'm gonna turn it around the back and I'll do another tie, and I'll tie it in a knot so it doesn't come loose. Okay, and then you can snip off the ends of the yarn. Okay, you can do that up here too. So then, so that's kind of, sort of looks like a snowman. But then remember the heel, the toe? So we've got that left. So what you do is you just fold that over a couple of times. And let's see if I did this right. You can put that on top like a hat. So there's his hat. I'll turn him around so you can see. So that looks like a hat, sort of. Okay, so then we've given you stuff. So I'm going to give him a nice, pretty blue scarf. So I'm going to tie that right around his little neck. And then we have some little black dots that we put in the kit. So you can put those on, or if you want to, you could use a black marker and an orange marker. Orange for the carrot nose and black for the eyes. And then what I'm going to do is we've also put some little foam stickers in the kit, and I'm going to put a little star right on his hat to make him look cheerful. And then I have these 2 heart stickers. I'm going to use those for the buttons. I'm going to pretend that those are his buttons. All right? So you can stick those right on. If you do have little brothers or sisters around, though, you might want to watch so that they don't choke on any of these little parts. But I'm going to do a couple of black dots for his eyes right on the sock, okay? And then I'm going to take my orange marker and I'm going to try to draw like a little triangle kind of shape for his nose. That's his carrot nose. And then I think I'll make him a happy snowman, so I'll try to draw a nice little smile. Okay? And there you go. There he is. There's a happy little snowman. So I would suggest you use all the stuffing because he would be a little fatter. So, but otherwise, that's what we'll send you if you want a snowman kit, and that's how you make a sock snowman. You might have some old mismatched socks at home, so maybe you ask Mom if you could cut one of those up if you don't want to come in and get a kit. Most of the stuff you have around the house, maybe not the stuffing, but as I said, you could use rice if you wanted to. So there we have our little sock snowman. Thanks for watching.